Hey there, car enthusiasts! Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews on the latest automotive products. Today, we're diving into the world of ceramic coatings.
And I'm thrilled to introduce you to what many consider the best ceramic coating for black cars on the market. Introducing the Turtle Wax 53409 Hybrid Solutions Ceramic Spray Coating. This incredible product promises not just shine, but unparalleled protection for your prized possession.
Let's break it down. First off, extreme water repellency. Infused with super hydrophobic silicon oxide polymers, this spray coating doesn't just repel water, it defies it. Say goodbye to water spots and hello to a cleaner car for longer periods between washes. And the shine? Oh, it's unmatched. Formulated with synthetic wax polymers, this coating enhances your car's paint surface, giving it a brilliant mirror-like shine that'll turn heads wherever you go. But here's the best part: long-lasting protection. This ceramic spray coating provides durable protection that withstands wash after wash, lasting up to 6 months or more. That's half a year of worry-free driving with your car looking its absolute best. And don't think it's just for your car's paint. This multi-surface wonder can be used on all exterior surfaces, including glass, headlights, trim, and wheels. It's a one-stop solution for all your detailing needs. But don't just take my word for it. Customers rave about the ease of application, the incredible shine, and the added protection this product offers. Whether you're a detailing pro or a weekend warrior, this spray coating is a game changer. So, if you're ready to elevate your car's shine and protection to a whole new level, look no further than the Turtle Wax 53409 Hybrid Solutions Ceramic Spray Coating. Trust me, your car will thank you. That's all for today's review, folks. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product critiques just like this one. Until next time, happy driving.